Welcome back to the channel, my friends. On today's video, we're going to be looking at the Bluetooth module. Now, my original Nokia module, which sits here in the back, that's been bad for many, many years, and I've had it bypassed with the loop in the back here for many years. But I'm going to upgrade it to the newer module. This is from 2010 to 13, I believe. Even the Sport had these same Bluetooth modules. These were way better than the original Nokias. These are known to go bad. And then your screen in the front, none of the infotainment will work at all unless you bypass it, and you do lose the Bluetooth function, obviously. Now, in this truck, I do have the rear entertainment system. So I've been running a USB Bluetooth in the back here with the auxiliary port, which does handle your Bluetooth as far as music and anything you want to play on your phone. It does work that way. Phone calls are fine, but the quality of the phone calls aren't the best with this because it's not using your original mic that's up front. So we'll go ahead and install this module in. That will handle the phone calls, and we'll use the other Bluetooth for music through the phone. So we can connect them both. To upgrade it, obviously your original one sits right here, the Nokia, with one bolt in the center here, which is a T25 Torx that's right in the center, and it's screwed right onto here. So we'll remove that. Now, to run the new module, your optic cable, that will plug right into the new one. The only thing that you'll have to do is take apart the original connector here, which I've already done, and you just need two wires, a brown and a blue wire going into the new connector here. I've taken them apart, and by using a pick tool like this, I was able to pick the wires that I need from the original connector and putting it into the new connector, which is different. Again, all you need is a power and a ground wire from your original connector to the new connector for the new one. And I will put what pins and what wires in the description for you if that's what you're looking to do. Again, these do come apart just like this, so you can get to the wires. This is just a cover over them that slips right over, and that will plug right into our new module here. And we won't need these. And now, as far as mounting it, I'm just going to zip tie it right on top here and plug everything in. So I was able to tidy up all the wires. I just used the plastic ties to tie everything. Here's the original connector. Again, all we needed was the two wires out of here, power and ground. And I have the new module mounted here just with two wire ties, or plastic ties here. Now, you can certainly try to fit it a little better, or even put it down here if you have. But I see no issues with this. I was able to plug this in. I had to cut some of the original wire ties to extend the wires and the optic wires a little bit, just so it would reach. And it's nice and tight here. Should be no issues. Fairly simple upgrade or a swap. Obviously, that's not going to do any of your CarPlay or anything like that. If that's what you're interested in doing, you're better off just swapping the whole front screen with an Android or something different that'll handle that. This will give you great voice quality or phone voice quality over the original Nokia. Again, these are very common for these to fry out. And I've been dealing with that for years. Now, I wanted to retain my original screen up front and everything, so this was the best way for me doing it. Again, I have a Bluetooth here that I'm running off of a cigarette lighter, 12 volt in the back, and it's just plugged into the auxiliary port back here, and we can run the auxiliary in the front, and that will play whatever that you're doing on your phone. And again, you can certainly run this up front, work your phone right off of this, but I decided to do the original for the phone, and this can work great for the music or what have you when you're playing off your phone. So a simple upgrade, swap, whatever you want to call it. Hopefully this video has helped someone out. If you got any questions, comments, please let me know. I thank you for watching.